sand and dust from the Sahara Desert is moving towards the southern regions of Europe. On February 6, a dust storm reached France, Spain, Andorra and Switzerland. The sky and snow in the mountains turned orange. It is expected that the dust storm will cover Italy, Germany, the countries of Northern and Eastern Europe and Balkans in the coming days. According to scientists, the occurrence of a dust storm is associated with climate change. In Algeria, the sandstorm has become serious. The sandstorm passed through an area 200 kilometers wide. The sky over Algeria has taken on an ominous ochre hue, indicating a very high concentration of dust in the air.